Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to live chat on Shein application. To do that, open the Shein application and then get logged in into the account. Now once you are logged in, you need to go and tap on your profile. Tap on me on the bottom right, tap that. In the profile, you will see the option more services, and there you need to go and tap on support. Tap that. This will direct you to the support page of Shein application, and in this page what you need to do is you scroll down. You can see two options: customer service, service record. You tap on customer service, which will direct you to this page over here. It will direct you to the customer service page of Shein. So all you have to do over here to have a live chat on Shein is you just type in your text message over here. Once you typed in your concern or the issue and then tap on send, they will get back with you right after you send the message. So there you can see the reply has been sent. Now again, you can ask any other information that you want to know about Shein application as well. You can put forward your concern, the payment issue or the shipping cost issue, or your order has not arrived yet. So I'm just gonna type in one more and then tap on send. You can see you have been given the information right after you tap and send with the possible solution or the things that you can do to solve it. So this is a way to live chat on Shein application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.